everyone, Gagajoy. Gagajoy's cooking. Well, today we're going to make manicotti. Why manicotti? Because it's pasta. And I love pasta. I haven't made pasta for a while. And I've had some complaints from the grandkids and my children. So right now I've already done my meat. I used 90-10 and still had to rinse the fat off of it. So I can't complain no more. The way things are, you just have to take it. Now I've got my manicotti on the stove. It's been going about 4 minutes, so I'm going to let it go 2 more minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it. I had to do the meat first because it had to cool, because I've got to put all the cheeses in. And I am using, get your favorite spaghetti and pasta sauce. I love this organic olive, basil, and garlic. I think it's got such a good flavor to it. Let me get the parsley up a little bit more. This is easier for me than using a knife because I'm not real good with a knife. Okay, now I washed my manicotti off with cold water. So let's make our stuffing. Let's put a little bit of parsley in the meat. Okay, and we've got plenty of cheese. We've got this rigatoni, the small rigatoni, and this one is rigatoni with herbs. So it takes a large manicotti like this. So I just did half and half because I had the one with herbs. And a little mozzarella, of course. I'd say this is a half cup of mozzarella in that. And we'll go with half a cup of Parmesan. And maybe some fresh mozzarella, about half a cup of that. So I guess I'll know we've got 2 cups of cheese, don't we? This one takes a little bit of time, but it's so worth it. Now when I was cooking my rigatoni tubes, I put a tablespoon of salt in it before, and I'm going to put about a teaspoon of salt in this. But of course when you rinse the manicotti off, the salt goes with it, but it does pick up a little bit of the flavor. This smells so good. And it's just the herbs from the ricotta. Yeah. Maybe a little, put some more of that ricotta in it so flavorful and good. And that's ricotta with herbs and garlic, I think is what I read. In other words, put as much as you want to of anything because it's all cooked. You taste it if you want to. You don't have to just be like. Now comes the masterful thing to do, which you know me, I'm not good at, but I'll give it a try. I mean, I can do it, but a lot of people put it in a tubing bag. You can do that. Now, and then I go down on this side and put it at the bottom too. That way you can get it pretty tight in the middle. See, it's pretty tight. I'll get some more in there. For me, it's easy if you do it in a cup. Find your own comfort zone. But I do think the cup always helps. Okay. Now, the bottom of our dish. I just pour a little bit of sauce. And we'll start. Well, we're back, and I got 2, 4, 6, 7 for the bottom. We'll put a little bit of this on them, so everybody gets a good amount. Now I've got my oven going at 375. Okay. This was so perfect. I used all of the stuffing, and I had one of the Manicottis left over, so I didn't have enough stuffing for it, so we didn't have to stuff it after it was tore up. So that came in quickly. Okay. Let's put plenty of cheese everywhere. Some more manicotti, more sauce. That's the good stuff. Never too much. And you see it's really just the right amount. Let's see. We used 2 cups of cheese. One of them was the manicotti. We used a whole cup of that, a half a cup of mozzarella, and a half a cup of Parmesan in this. Plus a pound and a half of ground chuck, or ground round, either one you want. Okay, let's put some rest of the mozzarella on it. And some more Parmesan. And this is just up to you, what you decorate it with, or top it with. You might just want all Parmesan, all mozzarella, a good size. So I'm gonna put it in the oven on 375. It's usually 20 minutes, but this dish is higher. So I'll check in 20 minutes, but it may be half an hour. But we'll be back. Well, I just got the manicotti out. Now, I checked it at 20 minutes, and it was white. It's still white, so I did leave it in there for 10 more minutes to make sure it got a little bit brown on top. I think that's so good. I can't wait to taste one. Oh, so worth the wait. That is so dreamy. Oh, that's so delicious. I hope you have one for supper. I've got company coming, so this is going to be perfect with a spinach salad. Anyway, wonderful, wonderful. Try it. It's been a wonderful day. I hope you make manicotti, and I know you will enjoy it. Remember the joy this week. Ring that bell and subscribe. I'm going to go eat some manicotti.